Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Nikki and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video is just a little chit chat, get ready with me. I am going to a Lana Del Rey concert tonight. I'm so stoked. I'm so excited. I am so excited. I'm going by myself, but I couldn't miss this concert and my friends don't really vibe with Lana Del Rey the way that I do, so yeah, I decided I'm not gonna miss this. I'm gonna go, and I decided why not record me getting ready. So if this is something that you're interested in, then please just keep on watching. So I already did my brows, moisturized and primed my face and my eyelids. I just wanted to do a little chit chat, get ready with me before I go to my concert tonight. I'm so excited. I'm going to Lana Del Rey. That is my wife for life. I love her so much. I have VIP tickets and I'm going by myself, which kind of sucks, but also kind of excited because my favorite concert was Sia and I went by myself and I don't know, I just love the vibe. So I want to do a very classic look today. Probably barely anything on my eyelids and a red lip. So I don't even know if I'm going to wear lashes. I might wear lashes. I mean, you guys probably already know because you saw the intro. So we'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling. So I'm going to go in with my Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette. This is my favorite palette if you guys couldn't tell. And I'm going to take the shade Moony, which is this one right here. And I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone. And then this is an Equal Tools large shadow brush. So you guys, I'm so excited to go to this concert. You have no idea. I'm kind of sad because I'm not going to really have someone to take pictures of me. Now I'm going to take the shade Magical as my transition. This is probably, I'm probably only going to use two shadows on my eyes today, but I'm going to take this shade. It's called Magical. I'm kind of afraid to go because you guys know that concerts have been getting shot up and it's just a really scary thing that, oh my god, my neighbor's dog will not shut up. And here's my little angel sleeping right now, not bothered. So it's just a sad world where people want to ruin things for others, literally end lives. I mean, you know, you think you're in a safe environment and just like nobody's safe these days. And my concert's at Mandalay Bay, so that kind of scares me as well. But I also don't want to stop living my life because I'm afraid, you know? I definitely have a little bit of anxiety about it. I just want to know when they're gonna make stricter laws. I don't know how I feel about gun control. I mean, in one perspective, I understand why people want guns because they want to feel safe in their own homes. But also, I think it's too easy to get a gun. To just walk up in a store and get a gun. I just think they need to be stricter about it. Now I'm gonna go in with Potion. That's this shade right here. Valentine's Day just passed. What did you guys do? Did you guys do anything fun? Did your bae surprise you? Did you go to a nice dinner? What did you guys do? I just stayed home. No, I didn't stay home. I worked. And that's about it. I spent the day watching How to Get Away with Murder. And I'm all caught up. I think it's season 3 that's on Netflix. I don't know what's on regular TV, but I finished season 3. And you guys, I'm so in love with Frank. I'm so in love with him. Laurel needs to get that, okay? And him and Bonnie, I can't even. Her and Frank, no. Am I missing something? When did that even happen? I think that's all I'm gonna put on my eyes. Now I'm gonna go in with my Born This Way foundation. This is in Warm Nude. This is one of my favorite foundations. I like the Hourglass stick foundation. It's just so expensive. I mean, this one's 40 bucks. And I think the Hourglass one is 45. I wanted to try the Makeup Forever stick foundation because that's only 35, I think. But Makeup Forever is not at Ulta. I didn't know that. This is such full coverage. I can't. I put way too much on one side. Anyways, so what are your guys' favorite shows on Netflix? I think my favorite show, it's a tie. My favorite shows has to be Criminal Minds. I love that show. I'm all caught up on that too. I think there's like 11 seasons on Netflix, maybe 12, I'm not sure. But I could binge watch that show forever. I love that show. I could just replay episodes and I'll forget what happens and I'll be like, oh my god, but I already saw it. Also, my other favorite show that's in a completely different genre is the show Friends. Woo! I love that show. I watched it all the way through, and then here and there I'll play it when I'm trying to go to sleep or something. I'll just go to like season 5 and click a random episode, or season 3 click a random episode. I always do that, but I just love the show Friends so much. Did you hear they're coming out with the movie? Is it already out? I don't think so, but they're coming out with the movie, and I can't wait to watch it. It better be good, because if it ruins Friends for me, I'm just gonna be so sad. Like Mean Girls too. You know how that ruined Mean Girls? Like, what? Law and Order almost ties with Criminal Minds. It's just like, it's so close. But the only reason that I like Criminal Minds better is because Criminal Minds shows what actually happens, and with Law and Order, they don't show the actual case, like what really happens. We kind of have to either believe one side or the other. Like, we never really know what happens. I mean, some episodes you know, but a lot of the episodes, it doesn't show you what actually happens. And Criminal Minds always shows you what's going on. That's the only reason. And if Law and Order showed me what happened, it would come first. I think it's just one episode that really pissed me off, that really made me mad, because what happens? I think they're like remaking the Brock Turner, that rapist, that white guy, that Brock Turner, the rapist, the one that the dad was like, don't ruin his life because he's a swimmer or something. They remade that episode, and I'm pretty sure they don't show you what actually happens. They don't actually show him raping the girl, and it really made me mad, because it was all he said, she said. What do we believe? I just want to know. I hate wondering. I just want to know what happened. I'm taking my Shape Tape. What did you guys think about the Shape Tape foundation launch? Because there was this big controversy about the shade range, and I agree, because it's 2018 and you're still launching 300 white shades and no dark shades. When they first came out with the picture, I thought it was a joke. I thought it was somebody trolling them, because I saw the picture from a different profile. It wasn't from actual Tarte, and I was like, nah, somebody's trolling, somebody's being stupid. But then at the same time, I was like, well, what do we expect? Their Shape Tape colors aren't wide either. They don't have a wide variety of colors in Shape Tape either. So why are we barely talking about this? Why are we barely mad? Like, we should have been mad. Side note, I have 3 Shape Tapes, all different colors, all work for me. They all work for me. So I'm just wondering, why on earth do you need all 3 of those colors and 1 deep shade, or 2? 3 shades work for me. 3 different shades. And I kid you not, I just grab a random one. I never look at the color, because I know that they all work for me. All 3 of these shades, okay? Light medium honey, light sand, and light neutral. All 3 work for me. My question is, for Tarte, if I have 3 shades that match me, then why do people with deeper skin not even have 1 shade that matches them? How does that make sense? After that happened, I haven't bought a new Shape Tape since. I mean, I have 3, so 1 I think is running out, but 2 of them are still fine. But I actually went and bought a... Have you guys heard of the Makeup Revolution new concealers? They're supposed to be a dupe for Tarte. I went and bought one. I just bought it today. I was gonna use it today, but I want to test it out first, and I don't want to go to a concert and then be looking crazy, so I want to test it out first. I put it on my hand, and honestly it felt exactly the same. I just don't know how it's gonna wear throughout the day, and right now it's only 2 o'clock and my concert doesn't start until 8, but I have early admission and I want to get there early, you know what I'm saying? I also bought the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. This is the box, or the container, but I actually put it inside my Kat Von D container just because I like the cap on it, because I can pour it into there. This cap is way too small. I thought that the Kat Von D one contained more, but this one actually had a lot more. You could still see that there's some powder in there. Can you guys see? You see how there's some powder still in there? I filled this one to the top, and then I put the little, I don't know if you can see in there, there's a stopper. I put it in there, and the powder just like all came out, and there was a bunch of powder everywhere on my table and on my floor. So I lost a lot of powder in this one, and there's still some left over, and this is overflowing. So So this looks bigger, but this one has a lot more. That's crazy. I was shook. I was shook. So I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use this one for the first time. I don't think that there's gonna be any flashback because it's not a white shade. It's more of like a banana powder. I'm on a budget, y'all. So I'm really trying not to spend a lot of money on makeup. I went to TJ Maxx because I know a lot of the times they have the Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palettes there for cheaper. But they didn't have one and it made me so sad. Actually, kind of really like this powder too. Oh, I think I really like this powder. I hope you guys could see me right now. What do you guys think? This is without powder and this is with powder. I think I like it. Oh my gosh, you guys, I really like this powder. I feel like it smooths out my face. It's gonna be my new favorite powder. This was only like $8. But yeah, I went to TJ Maxx because I was trying to find a Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. A lot of times they have it there because she did new packaging. So a lot of times they have the old packaging there for half the price. And I went today and they did not have it and I was so sad. But I found a dupe. It's the Pro Contour Pro Fusion. I don't know if it's gonna be any good, but look at this. Is this not the same exact colors for $5.99? So I'm gonna try this out right now and see. Hopefully it's not chalky. And also, I don't know if it's gonna last the whole night, but worth a try. So I just dipped into the center shade, applied it. It works. You guys, I think I really like this also. Wow. I feel like on my forehead it's looking a little weird. Just on this one side though. Gonna go back in with that powder and clean it up a little bit. Snatch up the nose. I'm gonna put some bronzer on. Gonna take my NYX matte bronzer just to warm up my face a little bit because I feel like that contour was cool toned. Just gonna warm up the skin a little bit. Did you guys see Jaclyn Hill's closet tour? A lot of people give Jaclyn Hill hate for no reason. Jaclyn Hill could end world hunger and people would still be mad at her. But anyways, I love Jaclyn Hill. Her closet tour was so cute. I loved it. It was so funny at the end when she's like crying and she's like, get out. Oh my god, I just love her. She's hilarious. The fact that Jaclyn has come so far and just she's done so well for herself off of YouTube, that's insane. Honestly, it's crazy. I'm gonna go on with my Sun Dipped Glow Kit in the shade Summer, my inner corner highlight. Does anybody else love Lana Del Rey as much as I do? Let me know. Let me know. Because there's a lot of people who are like, who hate Lana Del Rey, who just don't get it, don't get her hype, or they say it like she's overhyped. But I love her. I have such a depressed soul, I feel like. I just love depressing music. I can sit in my car and just sing my heart out. And I feel like her most depressing song is the song Is This Happiness? If you guys have not heard that song by Lana Del Rey, it's called Is This Happiness, and it is I feel like it's the saddest song in the whole entire world. It's amazing. Now I'm taking my Pure palette. I cracked it. If you guys watched my Valentine's Day look, in the voiceover, you could hear me drop something. This is what I dropped. And I cracked the bronzer and the blush, and just so sad. I have no idea what I'm gonna wear tonight. None. No idea. No idea. I'm taking the shade Summer from my Sun Dipped Glow Kit. The same shade I put on my inner corners. Oh my gosh, you guys, speaking of highlighters, I purchased the Amrezy highlighter. Woo, I'm so excited. If you do not know who Amrezy is, you're missing out. Amrezy was the first beauty influencer, or whatever you want to call her. She was the first one I ever followed, and I was so obsessed with her. She's retweeted my pictures 3 times. That's freaking amazing. She's not one of those beauty gurus who only retweets pictures of people using their products when their products are about to relaunch, you know? Like, there's a lot of YouTubers or just beauty influencers that'll like retweet their fans' pictures, but only to benefit themselves because their products are relaunching or whatever the case may be. But Amrezy Amrezy will retweet if you're wearing her products no matter what. Like no matter what. Like I could post right now wearing one of her lipsticks that aren't even selling anymore, and she would like probably retweet me. She has that like I don't care attitude, but also not problematic, you know? Like she's not gonna come at you sideways unless you come at her sideways though. She's just a freaking icon. I'm gonna go in with my NYX Dewy Setting Spray. I'm gonna go in with my NYX Epic Ink Liner. This is my favorite drugstore liner. I wish they would make it in a matte formula, but you know, you just can't have it all. So I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipsticks in the shade Vampira and Outlaw. Whenever I do my red lipstick, I always use my Vampira first. Oh my god. And then I go in with Outlaw. And that is my go-to red lip, if anybody is wondering. So I am gonna take these Makeup Shack lashes. They're in the style Dubai. I'm gonna take my Duo Lash Glue, and I'm going to apply these off camera, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is it for the completed look. I went and I put on this shirt. It just says girl power, and I threw on this jean jacket. I'm wearing high-waisted black jean pants, and I'm just super casual with some combat boots. I'm not trying to be uncomfortable tonight. I'm not trying to get all dressed up. I just wanted to be super casual, go out, listen to some bomb music, and have some fun. I'm so freaking excited, you have no idea. But yeah, if you like this video, please like the video down below. It helps me out a lot, and also subscribe to my channel. It just makes me so happy. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. What's wrong, my love? Hello. Hello, are you awake now? I love you. She's so cute. Hi, my angel. I love you.